Commissioner wa county ya Kisii Tom Anjere abeirega kuboria abateneri b'ekikuru kwenekya abanabaroki wa bonsi bali babete bakwerikia eriwe isaransa ase amatemu amanene ye grade kya 5 na limo nabo igo class kya 5 na 3 KPSEA nabo igo KCPE kwenekya abuna bonsi babeire bakwewari bagali ogo isaransa ase amatemu ayo anigaya kwa nachingaki abaga kwenekya okubwato kwa masakara yeritko ya kabere ase chiabisi che sub county ya Sameta asibo igo aba busoborendi babere bagotogirwa ase mirimo ya bagenderete gukora muri keito Julia Kerubo no roboti urwaso bwikirano
neritko ya kabere asamatema manena KCPE na KPSEA agenderete Nyamira County ya Kisii nigo County Commissioner Tom Anjere abagakora okwena no kwa matemo ayo ase sub county cha Sameta na Gucha.
It is a privilege for us to be here this morning. This is the second sub-county we are visiting today. Before we came here, we had been to Sameta. And our concern is, number one, just to remind ourselves of the protocols and the guidelines that have been issued to us, both by the NEC and the Ministry of Education, as far as this exam is concerned. We are glad to note that so far, there hasn't been any negative incidents, and it is our prayers that come tomorrow. I think that's when we'll be completing this sector. There shouldn't be any incidents.
Igo Anjera borira bateneni bechiskuru kwena kebuna aboro kigo berigati asamatemo ayu banyakorire nabo igo gwakoroboti asobwango asomoro kigo otanyareti goika asamatemo.
We are putting emphasis on the fact that all the candidates who registered for exams should be given a chance to do the exams. Remember, this exam is about the life of this child. And therefore, let us do all that it takes to ensure that we accord them an opportunity, we provide them with an enabling environment for them to be able to undertake the exam. We have talked to the assistant chiefs, we have instructed the chiefs, the SCCs to mop up all the candidates. And of course, you are the people who have the information, isn't it? Yeah. Anytime you detect that there is a candidate missing, please draw the attention of the local administration.
Waigo nigo director which Semi Philip Chilchil ago Kaden Chiramatemo Yogan Rete asaba togiabo bisaborendi engana ya berekego siro no County Commissioner Tom Anjere.
Mine is to wish you well. We started the exam yesterday and it was very successful. Despite a few challenges, candidates did not get registered in some centers. There was a bit of a rain in Marani and Gucha, so some people got stuck, but all the same we did well at the end of the day. So I want to appreciate everyone. Security team, you're doing very well, we really want to appreciate you. The center managers, we want to appreciate you. Everybody think we're doing very well. So let us be professional in the way we do our work so that our candidates get the results that they deserve.
Yeah, but the report we are getting, Madam OSPD, is that this team is a good team and they are able to adhere to the protocols. That is the kind of feedback we expect. You may not be a parent here, but you have a child in some other place, isn't it? So the same environment, you want your child to be subjected to the same environment that again you want us to replicate where we are holding these exams.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kwa county ya Kisii, Ndoke Julie Kerubo.